All right, we are back again. I've got a small project I got to do to help with the 1949 Ford F3. I got a bunch of parts coming in for it, but we've decided to put a boom for a wrecker on the back of it just to repurpose it and kind of, have our way with it and do all that fun stuff. But I bought a little vevor crane for this truck, which will help for, lifting all my heavy stuff I have to do. So I've got an engine to do on my wife's Jeep, and I've got a John Deere 400. Needs a starter. So to do the starter on it, you have to pull the engine because John Deere, whatever, not biased or nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get grinding on this. I have some 1/4-inch steel plate I'm gonna put down and weld to the bed, and hopefully it'll hold and won't, tip the truck over. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've got my steel. Obviously I got to get all this grounded. This bed isn't perfect. Obviously it's been used over the years. I've got just my little Chicago Electric, just a 170, and it's all flux core, nothing special. Obviously I'm gonna have to try and fix some of this bed. I got my yield generator right here. It it does its best. It does a good try, but we're gonna go ahead and get set up to start grinding, because I'm more of a grinder than a welder. And yeah, we'll go and get then I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of this off camera. Don't judge. I am no fabricator. I ain't no welder. I'm more of a grinder than a welder. But yeah, just doing what I know best is generally get it done. You know, put the crane on the bed, and yep, that's about it. But yep, I'll see you in just a few minutes. I mean, they're not quality welds per se, but you know, it's not about the prep work. No, it's all about prep work. I mean, you know, it's just you do a little this, a little that. I didn't even grind these down. I just kind of forgot to. There you go, back you up a little bit. I'm just kind of doing this, and I mean, excuse me. Technically, with this many welds, it might still come off, but they'll be like, wow. I mean, these are like $10 an hour welds, so if you're looking for somebody, don't call me, because I don't want to do it. It's terrible. But I had a good time. I did ruin this, so yeah, I gotta get my little crane up here. It's probably 40 bajillion degrees. It is. I'm gonna let this cool down, get all this cleaned up. I have some YouTube influencer black that I love to use. I mean, you know, shout out to his channel, because his paint is amazing for doing stuff like this. So I'm gonna let this cool down, see if my wife needs a hand with the baby or anything, and we'll go from there. Yeah, it's still really hot. I'm gonna get all my mess cleaned up too, and yeah, we'll go from there. I mean, the only way to cover up a terrible weld is paint. What? I see her. Nope, looks terrible still. That's good though.
Alright, that doesn't work. I'll hold you, baby. Yeah, there you go.
I could just hop up here. This stuff covers so good. I love this stuff. I mean, might as well paint the bed. Just paint all the slag in. Obviously an expert paint job. It's also getting a little windy. Bug done flew in my ear. Tried to eat me. Yeah, this stuff covers so good. So I've got the little crane base sitting here. You can tell just the old cheap vevor crane. I've got it sitting about right here. Like I keep saying, don't mind my welds. It shouldn't be an issue. If you have enough on there, they'll be fine. But I'm gonna go ahead and mark these holes with just cheap. I don't know what you guys call it, but I call it a lady's foot. That's what I've been taught to call it. Just a cheap one from Harbor Freight. See if I can center the holes the best I can. I'll get these drilled out, and we'll get back to you. So try and get them the best I can. I'm about to lose all my daylight. One, generally. Shh. Thank you. It's about there. And oof. To water that one out. Maybe. Got a good thick coat of paint on it. Hopefully these welds hold up. Sure, if I have to do anything to it, I don't plan to lift too heavy, just a few inches and just some small stuff. Oh, that one's a lot better. Not even really all that heavy. I'll start getting all this stuff drilled out, and we'll get back to you. Alright, I got the first 4 holes drilled. Now, I don't exactly have the correct size for this. That's okay. I don't even know what size this is. But remember, when you're drilling, just a little bit of Rotella 1540 can go a long way. Help to keep them bits nice. I don't even know what. Looks like 1/2 inch. I need 3/4, but I can make it work. I have to waller them out and do all that fun stuff. Ooh, I don't even know if this will fit in my drill. Might need to finally upgrade my drill. Thought this one would do it. Maybe. Oh, look at me go. See, I can do things. Not exactly how long this will take, but we finna see. There we go. There we go. One. Ah, oil everywhere. Well, keep them rusting. I'll get all these drilled the rest of the way so you're not watching me just drill random metal. And I'll get back with you. Alright, so it is a few days later because, life gets in the way, and my drill might have slightly caught on fire. That's okay. So what I did is I did these at 3/4, which I just got these 3/4 bolts because I wanted at least something generally sturdy. Then I found these in my truck. These are grade 8. standard cap bolts, and they will generally fit down through here. So I did have to ream these out, which that's fine. Eventually I'll if I start having issues with it, then I'll take them back out and put the bigger bolts in it, but I highly doubt I'll have to even do that. I probably won't be lifting enough weight to do that anyways. So I'm going to get my area cleaned up now that I've let all my bolts sit on here in the weather. I'm going to get my area cleaned up and I'm going to get back to putting this on here. I will be right back. Actually pretty excited about this. So I can get all my projects started. Hopefully these all line up. I didn't even check that. Looks like it. You'll want your bolts down. Way when the nuts fall off, you don't know. Expert. I'll run these down. I'm missing a washer. It's in my pocket. Yes. Yay. Neighbor with his bike. Eventually I'll have to get some washers. Nice. Yeah, I'll have to grab two. I might have to look around. I might have two hard washers I could use. Not too bad. Gotta get. Pinch my hand. And get my little winch mounted on it. I think it'll do just fine. There we go. Spins good too. Perfect. I got my adjustable hammer. Hopefully these aren't in there that bad. Oh no, not that bad. I mean, would I like a auto crane 6,000 pound crane? Absolutely. But this will do me just fine. I mean, I'll probably have to rig up some kind of outrigger on it if it's if it's too much on the leaf springs. Should just grab my impact to do these. Would have been a lot faster. Grade 5. They should work. Right. Hey. wish they were studs, but two threads will hold it. Yes. Yes. No, yes. Got it. Okay. I'll do 10 mil. I get to the back one. I grab my impacts. Ooh, what size are you that's covered in grease? Oh no. It's not a 10. This Chinese is probably going to be 12. Oh, my socket's moved. What are you? Who are you? 12. Wow, it's almost like I knew. Good job there, old gun. Just hanging on strong. No, this one. Good. And I weld some tabs and I can just strap it down like that. Let me go grab my battery. Get that. Oh, I got full of water. So that means it should still work. I get all that untangled. This is my only thing is I'm gonna have to super duperly extend everything. Stand right next to it. I kind of don't like that. It's not that big of a deal. Grab my this. Give me as much as I can. I'm like staring at my gut now. Some of us are thick around here. Ouch. Oh, see, that's just doesn't tell me. Yes. Nice. I don't know what this is. I'm not a crane knowledgeable person. If you know what this hook is, let me know, because I'd rather not destroy it. It doesn't go through it, does it? No. We'll just say no. I want to pick up something. Lubrication-ish. Sure, it'll good. Yep. I wish it had more grease points. That would be very convenient. Also, make sure to lubricate the crap out of your tools like I just did. That way they don't rust. Oh, thanks for reminding me. I have to tighten the crane. Tighten. So let me grab some sockets and yeah. Alright, these are 1 1/8. And the other side is a number 12 adjustable hammer. Just got my gun back from Snap-on because I just love to spend money. So, let's see. Slipping. I refuse to get up under it and check it. Fine, I'll do it. Perfect. And I will sit these down. It's gun. Should be 18s. If there's anything cat, 16 and 18. Oh no. These are standard, they'll be 3/4. I lied. Lloyd. Three quarter and or 19. Yeah, okay. Trying to beat the mosquitoes. Oh, you know what? I did get washers for these. Where'd I put them? Oh, over here. Actually, I only have one. I just went in my bin and was like, no. Yep, I have one. So, that one's getting a washer. Tight. Washers will save for other things and stuff. Unless I can find one. Nope. Okay. So I'll have to fish me out a washer for this one eventually. Okay. I'm gonna have to hunt me down something to pick up that's heavy. That'll actually. That's the only thing I might have to. I'll show you. I might have to try and work off of this little bracket. I can support it a little bit better, and I can put like a trailer, you know, stand, a little twisty one. It ain't gonna be too much, you know, even 1,200 pound. Oh boy, look at that weld. You can see right through it, right there. So I'm not the only one who can't weld at all. Anyways, so yeah, I might have to do that because it might be too much on these springs. But either way, for now, I'm gonna try and find something. Generally test this thing. So I will set you here and I'll be right back. Alright, I have a strap for choking. It's rated, I don't know, I can't see it anymore. I think it was like 1,250 pounds. It's a 1-inch strap. I actually have a vevor engine stand that I'm not sponsored by them. I wish I was, because I would have so much stuff. That I just got when I ordered this crane, because why not? It's convenient. So I'm gonna swing this around and I'm gonna pick this up. Maybe you can see me. I doubt it. I mean, it's pretty tall. I like that. You know, hold it by the wires, so. Right. I'll get you down here. I'll try and work one-handed. Okay, bye. Yeah, definitely gotta look out for that. It's, you know, grab it by your wires, bring it over, and you know you're gonna be here. Tighten it up. Give it a good tighten. Okay. Alright. See if it'll choke right there. This thing's been sitting outside for quite a while. I should be wearing gloves, but just to test this. Spinning. Like I said, it just looks odd to me. Right there. I wish it had a little more weight to it. I can get it to choke. It might not. Oh, these fell off of, oh shoot. Torqued. Oh, it got all bound up. I need to fix that. Yeah, I got all bound up in there. You can see that. But I mean, it picked it up. It didn't really squat the truck either. Kind of shook it. Oh, that's what happened right there. My strap was too long. See, I wish I would have told me that so I didn't try and blame it on the winch. Well, I mean, let me rig something up real quick. Obviously, this is the way you're supposed to do it. See? It holds. Now let me, without breaking anything. That's sketch. Just kind of bring it over. So don't be staring at it. That's good. Oop. Almost hit you there. I mean, it's, ouch. It's my hand. I mean, it's, you know, it didn't, I mean, that's probably the only weld holding it. Because that one's not doing nothing. That one, if you listen real close, you can hear it crying. Wah. See that? So let me. I mean, technically successful. It picked up a 80-pound engine hoist. The real test will be trying to pick up, I've got a 304 I'm putting in my wife's Jeep. So that's going to be what I'm going to be kind of starting on while I'm still getting parts for the 49 Ford. So let me see. Well, I was trying to find something that I could hook the crane to, and just kind of running out of time tonight, you know, with kids and, you know, life. But maybe I'll make another video of me getting in the backyard and trying to pull the engine out of that that John Deere 400 I've got, just to, you know, get that one taken care of, because I gotta, well, who knows. But maybe we'll just continue there. I still gotta put some tools away, and I mean, it's goofy, but it works. I mean, like I said, picked up a 80-pound box, you know, 65 to 80-pound box, you know, pretty easily. Obviously, it'll drag because it's not a very strong winch. I think it says 3,500 pounds, but it ain't. It's probably around like 1,200 pounds. But yeah, I'm going to get packed up here and plan on my next video. If you could like and subscribe, that would really help me. Just, you know, buying the little projects, you know, new stuff that I could do to kind of keep on rolling on this stuff. But I am your host, Cooter. That's why I'm the real Cooter, because it's my last name. I was blessed with that one, let me tell you. But I will see you guys next time. Thank you again.